So it's been about a mile hike. This path is pretty nice. Folks came before me with snowshoes, so I didn't really have to. If it had been a fresh blanket of snow, I couldn't have done this without snowshoes. You can see, so even though I can walk on this packed path, you get outside the packed path and it's up to my knees. So this would be a difficult hike in bunny boots without some snowshoes. The thing with these ice caves is if you don't know where to go to find it, it's about impossible to find. I mean, you would just have to be lucky. I mean, we're out here in the middle of Alaska. There's no signs, there's nothing on the street that says, hey, come this way, really cool glacier, $5 admission and hot chocolate. Nope, just this path. Shed my jacket, unbutton my shirt. Gonna explore the cave a little bit. Looks like I have the whole thing to myself, which is pretty cool. And this thing is gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna have to turn the flashlight on. I'm here all by myself. I mean, I'm sure there's no bears or whatever, but yeah, so there's different layers of ice here. I know it sounds scary, but you can see where people have walked back here, and their footsteps are here. Man, I don't think this video really does this ceiling justice. Lights off. Oh, it is ridiculously dark in here. Lights off. Whoa. So, exploring up in this ice cave. Pretty cool. I finally found rushing water. I've been hearing it, but finally found it. So we're gonna see how far back in here we can go. So I really want to explore beyond. I can't seem to get past this water. I tried going that way. Didn't work. And we're gonna see just how well these bunny boots work, because this one's kind of full of water. Yeah, I think we can do this. That's pretty. You can see I don't have a lot to work with here. Like glacier. Oh, I don't know, maybe a foot. Water. Oh, all right. Let's see what kind of adventure awaits us over here. So exploring on this side of the water, I can tell nobody has been here yet, like this year. No footprints. This is just like raw, untouched ice. It's pretty neat, all these rocks that just are piled up over here. This. I don't really know how to describe it. So obviously everything is ice, right? But I found this area of ice that, so all of this has dirt and sediment. You can see layers in it, right? All through it, rocks all through it. And then, bam, this ice that has nothing in it. And it is beautiful. I can't really describe it other than, God, I mean, it's just so pretty. So I reached the end of the line. I can't go any further. Beyond this, it's water, kind of deep water, and I don't know if any of this is showing up in the video, but the ceiling is just beautiful. And down that way, there is a waterfall. There is something that is creating a lot of noise. Again, I don't know if you can hear that in the video, but I believe my next adventure into this cave is going to involve a kayak. Because I really want to know what's that way. Into the darkness.